Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn about Google Analytics. So just go to Google, just go to your browser actually and type here Analytics, Google Analytics, and now you have this Google Analytics tab. Let's click on this. So Google Analytics is actually a tool which will provide information of your website in depth, and by using or utilizing that information you can actually work on your website more accurately and more powerfully. So you can see that I'm logged in with this account. So this account has this incern.net property, which is actually not available now, but we actually want to create a new property for pasmantv.com. okay, so actually we can create new properties as well here, but I will show you that how we can actually install Google Analytics within WordPress, and that will be very nice feature. And in for that purpose, the thing is that when we will embed that in WordPress, then we don't want to open analytics again and again, and we can actually view all the analytics within our WordPress website. So in next video we'll learn that. Although if you want to create any property, you can go to analytics, then you can go to admin, and here you can see that we can create actually a new property by clicking here create property, and then you can for example, let's click on create property, and you can see that you can name your property, you can select the region, you can go add other relevant information, then you can move further and they will ask you for your website link, and then it will actually add your name website to the Google Analytics. Then they will give you a code or the property ID, like you can see here under this incern, you can see this ID. So this type of ID you will get, and you can actually paste that ID to your website header, or we have the some other plugins WordPress by which you can actually track your website visitors right away. But